Hi guys, Blooming Freesia here, doing a little unboxing of this Welix Tri-Berry Yogi freeze-dried treats for dogs and for cats. They look really yummy. It says that it's mixed berry yogurt flavor. So let's see. It also gives a weight from 5 pounds up to 20 pounds. And if your dog is 5 pounds, it's 1, all the way up to 8 for larger dogs. It has the fiber they need, fat, protein, and moisture. It's supposed to support digestion and boost metabolism. So let's see how they are. Boys, I'm gonna call my little testers over here to test out the treats. Come here, look. Look what I have. Want it? See if it's good. Is it good? I'll take that as a yes. They're looking for more. So thank you for watching Welix Tri-Berry Yogi Treats. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.